The star of some of Bengal cinema's finest films, veteran actor Soumitra Chatterjee passed away today. He was 85 years old. Mr. Chatterjee had tested positive for the novel coronavirus last month and was taken to the hospital. An official statement today said, "We declare with heavy heart that Sri Soumitra Chattopadhyay breathed his last at 12:15 p.m. at Bellevue Clinic today. We pay our homage to his soul." Bengal's most celebrated actor Soumitra Chatterjee was known for his many collaborations with filmmaker Satyajit Ray, with the legendary duo having done 14 movies together. Part of the acclaimed Pathar Panchali trilogy, Mr. Chatterjee made a debut in Mr. Ray's 1959 film Apur Sansar. Mr. Chatterjee was the winner of 3 national awards for his performances in the films Antardhan, Dekha and Padokhep. He was also bestowed with Dadasaheb Phalke Award, India's top film honor in 2012. Moving on to the next news, after former US President Barack Obama, in his memoir A Promised Land, made remarks about the Congress's Rahul Gandhi, Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut questioned Barack Obama's knowledge about India and said that a foreign politician cannot give such opinions on Indian political leaders. A foreign politician cannot give such opinions on Indian political leaders. The subsequent domestic political discourse on Obama's remark on the Congress leader is distasteful. We won't say Trump is mad. How much does Obama know about this nation? Sanjay Raut asked. According to a review of the book published in the New York Times, the former US president wrote in his memoir that Rahul Gandhi was eager to impress but lacked either the aptitude or the passion to master the subject. Moving on to the next news, the NDA, after a meeting of legislatures today, said Nitish Kumar will be the Chief Minister of Bihar for a 4th straight term. The NDA, comprising of Nitish Kumar's JDU, BJP, VIP and HAM, won the recently concluded Bihar elections with a wafer-thin majority. Sources said that the NDA leaders are on their way to meet the governor to stake claim to form the government. As per sources, the oath ceremony is likely to take place tomorrow. Out of 243 assembly seats in Bihar, the NDA had managed to win 125 seats, 3 seats more than required for a majority. Moving on to the next news, seen as a huge coup for China in extending its influence, 15 Asia-Pacific countries on Sunday signed the world's biggest free trade deal. 10 Southeast Asian economies along with China, Japan, South Korea, New Zealand and Australia are members of the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership (RCEP). The members of this partnership account for around 30% of global GDP. Over concerns about cheap Chinese goods entering the country, India had pulled out of the agreement last year. India was a notable absentee during Sunday's virtual signing. The country can join later if it chooses. Moving on to the next news, senior Congress leader Ahmed Patel, who tested positive for coronavirus on October 1st, has been admitted to the ICU of Gurgaon's Medanta Hospital, his family said on Sunday. A tweet posted by his son Faisal Patel said the veteran politician's condition is stable and that he continues to be under medical observation.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.